Ice Bucket Challenge, Dance Off, Trending Audio. Hey there, fellow travelers. Those things can actually help you reach a large and new audience if you're looking to use trending topics, trending ideas, trending music, trending hashtags to grow your audience. It can be very helpful. I am not going to lie to you with that, but how do we take advantage of it? Like, how can I take advantage of those trends that are going on to reach this new large audience? Well, one thing I want to tell you is when it comes to a trend, whether it's trending audio, trending dances, trending challenges, all kinds of things, you want to move quickly because nobody really cares after the 17,000th person has done a dance challenge because that's old hat. That's something that's already been done. So what you want to do in the first 24, 72 hours of a trend really starting to blow up, you want to make sure that you're putting your content out there so your audience can see it, but also that new audience that you want to get. So when you're putting that trending stuff out there, that trending audio, that trending dance, that trending challenge, whatever, make sure it's on the platform that really resonates the most with, because dance challenges, they work great on TikTok, whereas the ALS challenge worked really great on Instagram and Facebook. So you want to kind of have that in mind when you're thinking about using these trending things to really grow. Now, the thing is, I don't want you to post a trend video just because it's trending right now. Why? Well, if the trend doesn't work with your audience or work with your brand, it's not going to be very helpful in growing. It's going to have you people watching that watch for the trend, but not necessarily for your content. Because if I did a dance challenge right here, how many people would follow for the dance challenge, but not for the Professor Walters content? And they're not going to come back if I'm not doing dance challenges all the time. So it's really important to make sure that that trend fits with your audience and fits with your channel. So you know it fits, right? This could work with our channel. This could work with our audience. This could work with us. The next thing to do, and my second word of advice, is adapt. Make sure you adapt that trend or that trending whatever to your audience, to your content, to your channels. What do I mean? You do not want to copycat what someone else did, because if they want to watch someone else's video, they'll watch somebody else's video. Why would you go to Burger King to get a Big Mac? Because if you want a Big Mac, you go to McDonald's. You go to Burger King because you want a Whopper. That's what they're good at. So if you adapt the trending things to your audience, it's going to work much better. It's going to resonate with them better. For example, on my travel channel, if I'm going to do a video about the people popping up in different places, like the hey video, like the head's here, hey, and they pop out of the side, hey, come out of the side, hey, they come from above, hey, all those kind of things. That works if I'm here in Nancy and I film in different places around Nancy to show you all these different places I am here in France. However, that wouldn't necessarily work with Professor Walters if I was here in Nancy because I'm teaching business. So Professor Walters, what might work with that is if I'm popping up in different parts of the university. Oh, I'm here at the student union. Here I am with the classes. Here I am in the dorms. Like, that fits with my audience, and that's going to resonate a lot better. Because by doing that, you're adding value. And if you're adding value and you put the trend together, so value plus trend equals shareability. Then my students from Illinois, they would probably share the video. Oh, there's my professor showing up different spots in the university. But for them, if they saw me do it here in Nancy, they're not going to France. They don't care about France. They're not going to share that. So you want that relatability so people want to share it. So that's why it's really important that it is tailored to your audience, your channel. Now, another thing I think is really important, especially if you're going to be on TikTok or Instagram with Instagram Reels, trending audio is huge because it literally pushes it out more. Like, if you put trending music onto one of your, dances or one of your talks or one of your videos, or just like any B-roll you put out there, it'll probably get more views than your usual videos where it's just you talking. Why? Because that music is trending and they're trying to put that music out in front of as many people as possible. So it's going to help it get shown. Also, use 3 to 5 really targeted hashtags. So if the song is a Sabrina Carpenter song, make sure you have hashtag Sabrina Carpenter. Or if it is the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge, make sure you have ILS Ice Bucket Challenge. You have those hashtags in there so people are searching for that. It shows up. But also the algorithms that are out there know that this content, this hashtag relates to this search. So it's more likely they're going to put that video out there for you. And if it's a trending topic, more people are looking for that than usual other stuff, so it can help you find a new audience and hopefully a larger audience. And the thing is, I gotta tell you, finding a large new audience is really great. But the thing is, you want to make sure it's the right large new audience, because if you are putting this trending things out there and it doesn't really fit with what you usually do, those new subscribers, those new followers won't be happy with your usual content, and then they will become non-viewers. And all of a sudden that'll show YouTube, oh, his subscribers don't actually like his videos. Let's not show his videos anymore. And that'll actually hurt you in the long run. So it's really important, if you're going to use this trending topic stuff, make sure you stay on brand. And sometimes it's okay not to do the trending stuff, Because you know what? On my, my travel channel, there's no point in me doing a dance challenge because it doesn't really fit with what I do. I'm doing, education, right? However, if I'm doing it here on Professor Walters and I'm doing a dance challenge with my students, that's a little bit different. That kind of works, all right? So just make sure, use that trending audio, use those trending hashtags, those trends that are out there. Use that to help you grow and find a new audience. But remember, you got to make sure it still works with your brand to be successful in the long run. Because getting a trending topic means it's trending that day, but remember the next day, maybe no one watches it again. So be aware of that. Anyway, I just want to give you a few tips there to help you know how to use trending audio, trending music, trending challenges to help grow your audience as well. Anyway, I wish you all the best. I'll say bye from here and I'll see you friends.